Hi guys! So, magandang hapon sa ating dyan. So, pinagpalang araw. Ngayon, it's a turnover day ngayon dito sa ginawa naming basement ngayon dito. At we'll see. It's super excited na natapos na rin namin for 2 months. So, 2 months yung ano nang gawa namin. At saka tawag nito, yung alam mo yung effort na ginagano namin na at least matapos tong basement namin. Na delayed lang kami for at least 2 weeks. Okay? So itutour ko kayo guys kung paano namin na-finish ang basement na to. Okay? Okay, so mag-start tayo ngayon dito sa may bathroom. So yung classic bathroom na ginawa namin is all whites and black lahat ng fixtures niya. So black yung tawag nito, yung gripo niya at saka black yung mirror. The same thing, yung light fixture niya doon sa vanity, it's all black. Okay. At even kahit yung mga ano ng towel, is all black. Ano lang tawag nito, yung tissue. At yan yung toilet namin. At even dito sa may towel bar. So yung towel bar is all black. There, yung shower is one of the best one. So tignan niyo yan guys. There. Yan ang pinaka-shower niya. Saka white tubs round at saka yung tub namin it's all white, so meron siyang design there. Okay, so yan ang pinaka niya. It's very modern na pag-built. Saka yung tiles, so hindi to siya tawag nito, hindi siya tiles talaga. So this is vinyl, it's a waterproof. Okay, so yan ang ano ng bathroom namin. Okay, so that was paid by the TNC. Alright. Okay, so punta tayo ngayon sa my living room. Okay? So the living room, ang ganda ng pagkaano namin ng flooring. And very modernized yung pagkaano ng baseboard. So ang ganda ng pagkagawa. Okay? And even kahit dito sa side nito, guys, yun ang nilagay namin siya para medyo malapad siya kung mayroong kayong lalagay ng mga kung mayroong party or something or may lalagay kayo dito. That's very good yung size na yan. Okay? At saka mayroon kami ng lights doon sa bulkhead na nilagay namin. So the design nilagay namin dyan para kung manood kayo ng movie or somewhere, and then mayroon pa siya dito. Okay? So yan, bali 4 yan. Pwede mo siyang patayin, pwede mo siyang buksan. So ito naman yung 4 na light dito. Pwede mo siyang patayin where it's very aesthetic kung gusto mong mag-nood kayo ng movie, diba? So yan, buksan mo para maliwanag. Okay. So the color is very modernized. Yan ang pinaka-color niya. It's light gray. And there's a door. There. So i-tour ko kayo sa living room. Yan ang pinaka-living room namin. Okay, so now pupunta tayo ngayon sa master bed. Okay? So pakita ko sa medyo may ano dito sa master bed kasi may load silang bed. Okay? Master bed. So welcome to our master bedroom. So same lang siya. There. No transition. So talagang pinaghirapan talaga namin na walang transition dyan. And the color is a little bit dark gray. Okay? At meron siyang closet din dyan. So ito na. Okay? So how very perfect yung pagkagawa namin. Okay? There. So I put an access panel in there para sa tawag ito, sa repair ng mga plumbing. And the lights, look, it's beautiful. Okay, There. So the color is very nice, right? So, ito yung closet. So, okay. So, I built those 3 shelves. Yan, so ginawa ko yung 3 shelves na yan. Para at least may lagayan sila. And then, the same thing doon sa end. May hanger sila doon. Medyo tight nga lang siya na puti. And then another shelving doon sa side. Same dito sa other side. Okay. And the color is almost the same as what the wall inside the master bedroom. Okay. So this is the master bedroom. Alright, so that's the master bedroom. So now, I'm gonna bring you guys doon sa my kids room dito sa anak nila. Okay. So okay. So ito, welcome dito sa isang bed dito sa anak nila, sa baby nila. So all black fixtures. I don't know what's the color. It looks like beige. Oh, sorry, medyo malabo. Yeah. All right. So very nice and clean. Same flooring. Kung ano mo, same lang yung floors niya. Okay. And the closet. There. Medyo maliit lang yung closet niya kasi nga sa baby lang naman to. Alright, so I put 2 shelves. One in the middle and one in the top. So just like that. Just easy one. Okay. Para may lagayan lang sila. Alright. Okay, so this is the second bedroom. So that's the second bedroom. The fixtures is beautiful. Okay. Alright, now pupunta tayo dito ngayon sa may laundry and dito sa may small kitchen. Small countertop lang nilagay natin dito for wash area. Okay. Alright, so the same thing, no transition. The flooring, they're all the same. Pareho lang sila lahat. So, yan siya, mechanical room. And, see. So, another closet, but it's not a closet. Makikita nyo, dyan yung washer and dryer. Okay? And, ito yung small kitchen. That's a wash area. So, nag-install kami dyan ng small kitchen. But in the future, kasi gusto na mayari na maglalagay pa ng another cabinets on the top. So we're gonna install that probably maybe sooner. And then dito sa gilid, naglagay ako ng mga bulkhead na lalo may bulkhead ako dyan. At the same thing, mayroon akong shelving na maliit doon kung ano man yung ilagay nila at then mayroong hangeran. Okay? So pwede sila maglagay na kung ano yung hanger nila dyan. So yung washer and dryer, it's inside of this. Okay? Yeah. So, excuse me. Yeah, so may mga pot light din siya. So, 4 pot lights din. Dito. Yeah. So now, punta tayo sa isang small bedroom. Okay, so this is the last bedroom, but lahat ng mga rooms dito is different color. So that's the request ng owner. Okay, so tour ko kayo. This is the third bedroom. Okay, so pasok tayo dito. Same flooring, no transition. Picture lang siya. There. This is all white. I like the color right here. And light fixtures is just the same. There. Pareho lang sila. Beautiful that we built right here. So ito pwede nilang gawing ano to, guest room. Yeah, yung guest room ay ilagay nila. One of the best na mailagay nila ito. It's super clean and it's super beautiful. Okay. So yung closet niya, same pa rin. I did put nilagay namin dito. So dalawang tawag nito, dalawang shelving. Yeah, very simple shelving na siya. Okay? Yeah, ganyan lang yung pagkano. It's very easy lang. Okay. Alright guys, so salamat sa sa pagantabay at saka sa it's more than 2 months yung ginawa namin yung basement na to. So ito yung basement suites. The same thing, naging maganda yung pagkalabas niya. Natutuwa po, it's beautiful one. And it's very aesthetic and it's very picture modern house. Right? So maganda, especially dito, it is my favorite. So yung bathroom. This bathroom is the one of the best. Okay? Tignan niyo guys. So it's the one of the best. Right? Alright, so guys, kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para ma-update ko kayo sa mga binibuild namin ng mga bahay dito sa Canada. Okay? Maraming salamat at God bless everyone.